Alright, you guys, about to show you how lucky some people get. If my video is working, I guess it's working. I can't see, it's really bright out here. The patient is a 1996 238 Vista, 4 winds. Very nice boat. Could be extremely nice with a little love and care. You know, when you're working on somebody's boat, I don't give a shit how shitty of condition you think it's in, or how uncleanly it is. You put towels down, you put rugs down to put your tools on top of. You leave the boat, this is a whole nother video, leave the boat better than you found it. So anyway, nonetheless, this is how lucky some people get. I will never have this kind of luck, I'm sure. Guy told me in the fall he went to take his boat out. There was ice on the lake. He did not have any type of heating going on in here whatsoever. Decided to go for a short ride before he pulled it out. What he did not know was that the water pump was frozen solid. Luck number one. It's a miracle that water pump isn't cracked. Then he went on to tell me that smoke was filling the cabin, and he was able to get it into shore and put it on the trailer. So the engine overheated severely. However, I ran it, head gaskets, the heads look fine. There's no blown head gaskets. The smoke he was seeing was the upper and lower bellows on both the port and starboard side burned badly, as well as the hydraulic lines running the trim tilt motor, as well as some of the electrical sending unit going to the trim tilt motor. So this is what we're doing. We're fixing this guy's boat. Like I said, he got extremely lucky. I thought this engine was going to be blown. I started it up very carefully the other day. I ran it for a good hour, and it's running very well, nice and smooth actually. So this is the kind of abuse that you can put your boat through, although I'll never get lucky enough to just do this kind of damage. Nonetheless, it's a lot of work. I have to disassemble the exhaust from the risers down to the Y pipe, including the risers, come off in order to put the bellows back in and connecting exhaust system back in. Once I get the risers off, I've got to trace down the hydraulic lines from the trim tilt motor. I know they're melted back there. They're melted all the way through. Another miracle is that this boat didn't catch on fire, you know. So yeah, so that's where we're at. If I run across any tips and tricks along the way, I will put them in this video. If not, that's my video for today.